Welcome to Barcode, the industry-leading barcode inventory system for all types of organizations. Ever wondered how the military keeps track of their assets? Military asset management software streamlines the tracking and management of diverse assets, from vehicles and equipment to sensitive documents. Here's how a military asset tracking system works. It all starts with a unique identifier. Every asset, big or small, gets its own barcode or QR code. Think of it as the asset's digital fingerprint. When a new item is received at the base, it's tagged and entered into the system. Once in the system, assets are easy to manage. Soldiers, personnel, and civilian contractors use their mobile devices to scan barcodes, instantly checking them in or out. Soldiers can always see what's assigned to them with the My Work Assets feature. Need to transfer ownership? No problem. If military assets need to be moved between parties, our asset tracking system offers the Defense Department a new level of flexibility by pre-populating data into and allowing the printing of the DD 1149 form at any time. If you like this video so far, like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in a 14-day trial and walkthrough of this product with one of our experts, if you're watching on YouTube, click the link in our description, or if you're watching on our website, click the green free trial button. All that scanned data doesn't just disappear. It's securely transmitted into a central database, whether it's in the cloud or on-site. This database becomes the ultimate source of asset information, logging location changes, updating ownership records, and scheduling maintenance tasks. In our multi-site or enterprise versions, higher-ranking personnel with appropriate security clearance can view assets across multiple bases and control their movements between locations. Through configurable reports, the system maintains a comprehensive audit trail of all asset transactions for accountability and compliance purposes. It sends alerts for overdue checkouts or upcoming maintenance, ensuring assets are always in top shape. In the fast-paced world of the military, efficient management is key. That's where an asset tracking system comes in. No more lost gear. Data-driven decisions, available and ready equipment, and accountability are just a few of the benefits that help empower the military to accomplish its mission. If you're interested in a 14-day trial and walkthrough of this product with one of our experts, if you're watching on YouTube, click the link in our description, or if you're watching on our website, click the green free trial button.